Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Reducing levels of tannins and polyphenols through soaking enhances the body's ability to absorb minerals such as iron, zinc and calcium, as well as proteins in foods including chickpeas, mung beans, lentils and peas.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to cook beans with vinegar to reduce gas. The amount of time you cook your beans will depend on the type of beans you are cooking. Also, add more water if the beans calls for it. Most importantly, add the vinegar just 5 to 10 minutes towards the end of the cooking.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.